if your garbage disposal not working, before you replace it, try a few things. When you turn on the disposal, when you turn the switch on, and if it don't make sound, then it's more likely to be the reset button, which locates right here. Right there. But before you do that, unplug it and then press that button and plug it back in and turn the switch on. And if it makes sound, see if it's working. If it makes sound, but if it's not spinning, if it makes a humming noise, that means it's jammed. But if it don't make any sound, then there may be a blown motor. But if it does make a humming sound, it's more likely to be, it's jammed. And with that, you use this Allen wrench, S-shape and Allen wrench, and you place it right here and you spin it around like so, like that. And you spin it around, and if it's stuck, then it means that it got too much sand or something. Could be like a spoon or something. But before you check the disposal, unplug it again and check in the sink to see if there's any spoon or anything hard that can possibly keeping it from grinding. And if you can't find any screw or any spoon or whatever it is that's causing it to stop grinding, then it's more likely to be sand from where you wash your hand from working outside with all the sand and stuff. After a while, it gets jammed up. So what I use is this tool right, torque wrench, with that same size Allen wrench bit, and I place it down there and turn it to break it loose. And after it spins, after it rotates, then try to plug it back in, and then turn the water on and pull the switch and see if it spins. If that's the case, then you solved the problem. I hope that helps.